Musk tells you to buy Dogecoin and Tesla buys Bitcoin. What's up, guys? This is my channel. Welcome, and my name is Ilya. Let's talk about the situation on the market, on the stock market, what is going on with Bitcoin, and why Musk is telling you to buy Dogecoin and Tesla is buying Bitcoin. But before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more news and more great videos about to come. 2021 January, end of January and beginning of February have been crazy. First of all, the short squeeze started. It literally turned over the whole stock market. The short squeeze changed a lot on the Wall Street. Now the actually retail investors can do something against the hedge funds. Nobody was able to take it under control. And then Robinhood and other brokerage platforms shut everything down. And you couldn't buy GameStop, you couldn't buy AMC, Nokia stocks, nothing. And guess what they changed to? To Dogecoin, because a lot of cryptocurrency are very expensive, and Dogecoin was on the, it is still on the bottom because there is no value. Dogecoin actually was invented as a joke, as a meme cryptocurrency, but of course, as always, something that was created as a joke becomes actually value, invest, and a lot of celebrities were pushing Dogecoin, were pushing all this short squeeze hype, and Elon Musk was one of the most valuable celebrities who were pushing Dogecoin to the moon. He was tweeting about it, he even posted video during the Super Bowl on his Twitter, which is right now Dogecoin's highest level in more than a year. It's at 0.08, I think, something around that. But guess what? Today, Tesla, with their filling with SEC, just announced that they bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and they're about to accept Bitcoin for future purchases for their Tesla. Not yet, but they're about to. Isn't it crazy? And how is it possible? So Elon Musk was tweeting about Dogecoin to the moon and other tweets, and then Tesla ended up buying Bitcoin. Well, like I said, Dogecoin has no value. It has unlimited supply, so technically it can't grow that fast because there's unlimited supply. And Elon Musk was one of the guys who actually was pushing cryptocurrency to the moon, to new levels, and he believes in that cryptocurrency movement, and I do personally believe too. And everybody was talking about who is going to be the first company who actually going to purchase a huge amount of Bitcoin. Everybody was talking about Apple, maybe Amazon, and here we are. Tesla actually bought a huge amount of Bitcoin as a first company. And of course, Tesla stocks went up this morning after they announced that they bought a lot of Bitcoin, and price of the Bitcoin itself went up to the moon. And right now it's at the new highest level. Right now it's trading around $47,000. $47,000. Well, but again, guys, it's been trading around 38, so $10,000 increase. But the volatility of a Bitcoin right now is huge, and everybody is waiting who will be next, which company will invest in Bitcoin next. In 2020, a lot of hedge funds were buying a lot of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because of the situation on the market, because of the Corona economy was going down, especially in March, April. So everybody was buying Bitcoin on the lowest levels. And right now in 2021, Bitcoin is such a huge thing. The price is very high, and everybody believe that Bitcoin is our future. And this example, Tesla as an example, as a first company who bought Bitcoin, as we all know, it's always hard to be first in something. And Tesla past year just went up to some crazy heights, almost $1 trillion company. Tesla worth more than any car maker in the world, and they're one company who will set an example for other companies for purchasing Bitcoin, for investing in the future. And right now there are a lot of rumors, but like I said, I don't know, they're just rumors in the internet somewhere there, that Apple might buy some Bitcoin as well, because Apple has a huge pile of cash, and buying Bitcoin for a couple billions, it's like nothing for them. But who knows? Tesla was first, and if more companies will start buying Bitcoin, Bitcoin will go higher and higher. To be honest, it's very hard to tell what's Bitcoin's value right now, but some people were saying $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, and right now at this point today in February 2021 we can see that Bitcoin is almost at $50,000. So $100,000 doesn't sound that crazy, and even $200,000 for one Bitcoin doesn't sound that crazy. For right now it's only one company, big company, who invested a lot of money in Bitcoin, and if Tesla will start accepting new purchases of their cars with Bitcoin, this will set a new trend for the market, and Bitcoin price will skyrocket even higher than it is right now. But now let's talk about why exactly Elon Musk was pushing Dogecoin and then Tesla bought Bitcoin, not Dogecoin. Dogecoin doesn't have any value, and Elon Musk is a great guy. He is a king of marketing, and of course, as a businessman, he understands that if Tesla will buy Bitcoin on the highest level, there is no point of doing that because Bitcoin's price always fluctuates a lot. It's very volatile. So he was pushing Dogecoin. He was pushing not a certain coin, not a certain cryptocurrency. He was pushing the whole cryptocurrency movement. So people understand what cryptocurrency is, so they start investing in that. So they understand that this is actually our future. There are a lot of them, but this is how you can make money. This is what we're gonna use in the future to buy stuff, to sell stuff. And like I said, as a businessman, in my opinion, I have no idea what I'm talking about, by the way. I'm not a financial advisor, so just listen to me, but this is just my opinion. And Elon Musk just decided to buy Bitcoin on kind of lower level from all-time highs. And of course, because he knew after the announcement, it will go up crazy. And another thing, Elon Musk had some issues with SEC before. He paid $20 million fine in 2018 when he announced that Tesla will go private at $420 per share. So he had issues before, and he understands if he was pushing Bitcoin to new heights and then 1 month later he will announce that Tesla bought some Bitcoins, it's going to be crazy and he might be in trouble with SEC and other regulatory institution. He was just trying to be safe because he had issues before. And like I said, cryptocurrency is our future. Unfortunately, I missed so many opportunities to buy Bitcoins. I didn't buy it at $100, I didn't buy it at $200, then I didn't buy it at $1,000, $2,000, $10, $20, then it went down to $7. But now, when Tesla actually set the new example, now we know that even huge companies talking about Bitcoin, they think that Bitcoin is our future, and now I feel more safe to invest my own money that I make. They didn't just like fall from the skies, but I feel more safe to invest in Bitcoin and keep it for a long term. I don't know if the price will keep going up or it will actually settle down. It might be that it will go down a little bit because Bitcoin always was going down after it hits the new height. But right now it's very hard to predict because Tesla buying Bitcoin is a huge news. It's a new era for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrency. It's very hard to predict the new price and if it will go down. But again, just averaging is the king. Always averaging your investments. You can buy it at 45. If it will go down, just keep buying it, and in the end you will have the average price for Bitcoin. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and comment down below what you think about Bitcoin, and do you think that other companies, big tech companies, will start buying Bitcoin, and who will be next? Take care.